Kan video masa kan part 1 ka kan sira 3 questions ti ka tuna hian kan sun zom le don ani amasa kan lalpa le harmit ain mula kan mi pakhat alo tlan phei lok te kan kan to pani kha athon thu kan siat sun zom le don ani page 10 kan ama kan tiang thovin athon thu hi kan siat so le pot puranga chum nuwa kan sei fi le don nia page 10. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king dressed the wound again, and at last the bleeding stopped. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. The king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or what the strange bearded man lying on the bed who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a weak voice when he saw that the king was awake. "I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for," said the king. "You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you, because you put my brother to death and seized my property. I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit, and I made up my mind to kill you on your way home. But the day passed and you did not return. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard, who recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me." The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. He not only forgave him but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. The hermit was on his knees, sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. "How have I been answered? What do you mean?" "Do you not see?" replied the hermit. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you, and you would have wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds, and I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So He was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important, and this time is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most important business is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Leo Tolstoy hay ezek tu ania ti khan story chu kan share zawa so fi ngai la te kan so fi le don nia. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. The king lalpa chu turned round hoilet chuan saw mu see past tense ka SEEC. A bearded man, bearded chu beard anita a khabemul tinanita a bearded ani chuan khabemul nei tinani maya khabemul nei mi pakhat running towards them towards lama anmani lama lo tan chu amuwa. His hands were pressed against his stomach. Akute chu press nem nam against his stomach chu pum apum rondom pe chu rontla in arontlana from which blood was flowing. Chumi atang chuan blood tisen blood nila blood was flowing chu luang tisen chuak tinanimai. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. When he reached lam thui do tu ni reach ti do ngaya theng lal ne na ron thlen chuan he fainted ni kho selawat lu and fell to the ground chuata chuan atu The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. Lalpa le hermit puithiam amakhan puithiam ramnwe cheng thin kha hermit and thin kan te kha removed the chu lason phel inani mang chu heta chuan man's clothing thomno chupa thomno te chu anhan phel saka and found a large wound liam in his stomach. Puma chuan liam pui mai hi an muta a. The king was and covered it with his handkerchief. Lalpa chuan silfaya was covered khu handkerchief romol kanti mai kha a liam te chu a silfaya a handkerchief a romol chuanin atuam saka khu saka, but the blood would not stop flowing. Ma se tisen chu ala chuak rang thawa stop flowing luang top luang top thei lava tinang deuh aniang chu. The king dressed the wound again. The king dressed hi thom hak tir te pot thea mar chu liam a chuan tuam aniang chu tara a liam te chu wound kha liam again non le liam chu atuam non le at last atopa chuan the bleeding stopped. Bleeding tisen chuak bleed tisen chuak bleeding stop tisen chuak chu atop ta. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. Feel past tense kania shria better thazok. The man felt better chuan temin azium tadeva tinanamai and asked for deal something to drink till in tur aron dela. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. Bring past tense and aron king tinania fresh to thar tinanimaya water to aron ken saka and gave it to him. Aron peta gave to pe tina ani. By this time the sun had set. By this time atisu heti hunlai hian tuti hunlai chuan the sun had set chu tla kol kila tla hi ni chu atlatoa and the air was cool. Air borok cool chu dai vot borok po chu dai de ru to The king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut. Lalpa chuan hermita puina nen chuan hermita chuan hermit pui thiam chuan rom pui buka carry chu keng joy pu te pon ni the mi zo tong chuan kan nga a heta chuan la son te pon nga zon te pon ni theng chu wounded man in liampa chu into the hut book te a chuan in an zon du ta a and laid him on the bed laid him ati chuan mutir tinani khuma chuan an mutira the man closed his eyes and lay quiet chupa chuan mai mi chinga ngoi rangin amuwa lay quiet ti lo tur kan ti to quiet thom ni levin re thapin mo lay chumu amuta a the king tired by his walk and the work he has done lalpa chu akia kalna ta hian el khulam rik tal tum lo tur wal ti tal lo tur walk an mai el khu aritel lo heta hian walk and the work he has done le ana tho awang chuan tired chaw ve le to lay down on the floor and slept through the night lay down on the floor ani lo floor chuata chuan amua lay down on the floor chuata chuan amua and slept through the night sleep past tense slept through the night zan khua chuan amuta a when he awoke it was several minutes before he could remember when he awake past tense ani awoke tho aron tho nu chuan it was several engamoza minutes before he could remember the chuak where he was or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was khoyange omti le tunge ni khabem hul nei khumamu chu ti ta ase chole ma cho ase chuak mai lova tinani chu forgive me said the bearded man in a weak voice forgive ngaidam mi min ngaidam ro tin kabemul ne chuan in weak chaw chaklo voice chaklo tak ma hian min ngaidam ro aron tia when he saw that the king was awake lalpa chu har toni ti aron mu chuan I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for said the king tungin ipok thelova chu wangin eng mangai dam chan tu che kanei lo alo ti alal chuan said nilawin kan ti to kha you do not know me but I know you min selova ma se ka se chelom I am that enemy of yours ke ma hi enemy melma of yours nangma melma who show revenge on you sure to swear pasensania to tiam revenge pubalak na on you inena ilaka pubalak in tiam to tu email ma khakania because you put my brother to death and seize my property achan chu ka unau pa itiluma and seize chu sak my property ka thilne ka inle loramte min chu sak bok ani ka min chu lui bok awangin I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit kha pui thiam hermit kha nang mutorin nang ma chu ni kalti kasia and I made up my mind to kill you on your way home I made up my mind du kasiam made up my mind way home ho konga lo tha che kalau tum ani but the day passed and you did not return ma se khamini kharal tamai sia nangla ilo le boxi lewa return let pass to kaldiam so I left my hiding place left tichu leave past tense ania chu chuasan kalsan tinani hiding place chu kabiru na mun tang chung kalo chok ta a and I came upon your bodyguard chuan I bodyguard nen chukhan kanin tong ta a came upon abula vakal vain mu tinani mai vain tong who recognized me and wounded me ani chuan min lo sia recognize sia and wounded me min liam ta ani I escaped from him but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds I escaped ani lakatang chuan katal chuak kaput chuak thei rama but I should have died ma se thi turkania if you had not dressed my wounds kaliamte min tuam saklo la chu thimai turkania I wish to kill you. Tha chekakadua, and you have saved my life. Nang ro chuan kanun na min chan him ta zok si a. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant. Le tu na chuan kadam khu chu kan ni phot chuan ichia lo rin ber faithful rin most ti chu ber rin ber servant chi lo serve rong bol sak in noi thok tu na chuan kadam khu chu kan ni chuan ichia lo rin ber ka lo tanga and will order my sons to do the same. Tin ka fate ka fapate po chu tiang anga ti ve tur chuan thu ka peang the same chu pa ngai ang che ti na khan ta a chu mom je chu arong bol rin ta ka ronga bol angin anni po rong bol ve turin ka tiang forgive me min ngai dam ro ta ni. The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemies so easily. Chu tianga awesome tak maya amel mane na ani nerem ta chu lalpa chu alom le maya made peace in rem easily awesome tak in happy ta chu kan chiang chu tra and to have won him over as a friend. One he win person sania one chak tinani win win chuan chu tianga thian thatak mai an han muthar ta po chu alom le ani. He not only forgave him but ngaidam mai ani lava forgive past tense ka forgave ani ngaidam mai po ni lavin but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him. Ngaidam mai du to lavin achia lote servants mo send tir aron tiranga and his own doctor ama doctor nge mai look after and call him ama and call turin achia lo tele ama doctor nge mai aron te tur thu asaitani. And he promised to give back the man his property. Promise to them give back pelet the man his property in le lo ramte pelet le ain tiam bok ani. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. Leaving son, liampa chu kalsan, pa chu kalsanin, the king went out of the hut. Lalpa chu hut atang chuan chuakin, look round for the hermit, look for chu zong kantika hermit chu avazong leta avazong kwa leta. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. Before going away, akalson main, he wished do vai khatal chu a question azona te chan munge du thu asailang le The hermit was on his knees showing seeds in the bed that had been dug the day before. Hermit was on his knees chu khup alo oma alo ching chia tinan chu showing chu thai chi tu te mo ching te mo seeds te chu thai chi khanita in the bed chu video masalma kan se to thai bikhur ang chi kha that had been dug the day before. So me mania an lo like to khur like to chuan thai chi alo thak ani. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." Lalpa chu hermit ne na puithiam ne chuan avakal le and said, "For the last time I beg you, atop nan mo back ngen deal ka zona te min chang turin atop nan karon ngen le che wise man mi fing pa titani aron ti ani." "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. Izona tu chana ni dai to kha kun chungin lalpa abula loading lalpa en chau hau chung chuan izona tu kan chan dai to kha chana ni to kha alo ti ani still mo cheu bending in klep kun tinan mai to the ground and looking up the king as he stood to ding before him ama alal pa ding chu kun chung kun lei lama kun la kun danga chunga en chovin tinani chu oh looking up. How have I been answered? What do you mean? Entinge min chan to a inge mo isoi ziale mo. Do you not see? Said the hermit. Imu ve nange tin la hermit chon lo changa mu kanan tia mi zo tong a chon isa thiam nange tinang de po aniang chu. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug this badge for me, you would have gone away. If chuan tinani had not lo chuan pitied khongai pity pity past tense nia chu khongai tinania my weakness ka chaklo na nimina khan ka chaklo na khan chaklo to ka na ka lo thoka min khongai lo la chu and had not dug this badge for me min khongai lovin hetiang thai bi khur te lai min lai saklo la chu you would have gone away ikal le hal mai om sia then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me chuan khapa khanin alo attack be nge yang chenga and you would have wished you had stayed with me kabula khan lo la om rang kha ichak via wang mo in cher via wang atinat luk ani chu min pui lovin lo le mai la chu khapa khan lo be yang chenga chu tia ni to chuan ka hne na radio hlek ilo om lo kha in cher via wang tina anu bermai. So the most important time was when you were digging the bed. Chu wangin most ber important poimo ber hun poimo ber chu thai bi khur ilai vel kha animaya and I was the most important man chuan keima kha mi poimo ber kanile a and to do me good was your most important business chuan to do me good ati chu ka chunga that I chu akha was your most important business ti tur ka chunga that I chu akha itan chuan ti tur poimo ber ani. Afterwards when the man ran to us the most important time was when you were caring for him anuwa chuan afterwards anuwa tinani maya when the man ran to us kapa kha kanne na ron tlan pe khan the most important time was when you were caring for him hun poi mo ber chu khapa ilo en kol lai kha anile maya caring for itu en kol ngai sak because if you had not dressed his wounds he would have died without having made peace with you achan chu aliam te khalo en kol saklo in lo tom saklo la chu nang ma ne na in rem na nei ma kha nei lovin athi mai don sia without the lovin more died he made peace with you chu kan say to so he was the most important man chu wangin ani kha mi poimo ber ania and what you did for him was your most important business and what you did for him ani tana ithil ti kha business ti to thil ti tor poimo ber chu ani le mai ta ani. Remember then there is only one time that is important and that time is now. Remember then chu wain hei serang ro there is only one time that is important hun poimo si pakhat chu oma and that time is now chu hun poimo chu tun hi ani. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. Tun hi hun poimo ber ani chan chu tun hun chau hi ani thil kan ti thei hun kan thil ti thei hun power ti thei na act thil ti power kan nei kan chet thei hun mo kan thil ti thei hun nei chun ani wang ani. The most necessary person is the person you are with at that particular moment. Most ber necessary poimo person missing poimo ber chu you are with mo ibula omte at that particular moment chu hun dei lo te chung soina particular khami big soi big nei na thil ko big nei kan soi khan particular ani khami hun lai te ibula omte kha missing poimo ber chu ani le mai for no one knows what will happen in the future achan chu no one knows tu man selo what will happen in the future hun lo la kal tura enge thil lo thleng don tu man an fresi lova and whether we will meet anyone else le enge lo thleng don le midang anyone else midang inan meet mu midang kan hmu le don am ti po tu man kan se bok si lova. The most important business is to do that person good. Most important business ti tur poi mo ber chu to do that person good chu mi chunga that chua thei to pa that chua chu ani because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Achan chu we were sent into this world he khovela hian chu mi tur tiang tur tir chu kan ni sent tir world khovela for that purpose alone. Purpose ti tur chu mi tan liu alone chu chau tinan mai chu mi tan liu chuan he khovela hian tir kan ni ti ta ni. Page 14 na le 15 na khan question kan ne question engma ja kan ne hen question te hi hami video to pa hen answer note pen pe anga chu copy a lo zer a lo bai hat tur ani nga tin chu ba ka a textbook chung a story a hi voi thum tal aria chiar chho tum turani nal takin chiar chho tum turani ya tin kan soi ba ka khan engamo word meaning te engamo sia thiam lo lai te kan ne ni chon in zo le kha se lo tur ani a chiarik tam kha apoi mo em ani